mane en jatend migao mar Labour Philip Masindo chalo ko ne piny owacho mondo pari anyuola mag jogo manokedo ne piny ma olalo mwandugi. Masinde mane lose kar jot mare ma Bulanda e county ma Busia wacho ni ber kanyuola mag jogo manokedo ne piny yudo locha kata yudo mich mar bero ngimagi.
The government of the day should look specifically, check up in each region to see the fellows who come from, whose ancestors probably literally fought and lost their properties or whatever, and they have been displaced, they are living on the streets. These sort of people, the government should definitely sort them out in a way that at least they are settled and made to live a human life. When we celebrate, we are all celebrating. I don't expect it to be treated in a special way by the government of the day, but I expect to join up with the government of the day that everybody appreciates. Because as we celebrate Mashujaa Day, we are also celebrating the Mashujaa people who fought to have this particular day. And as such, all I can say is there are those who were more affected as a result of the actual fighting and so on. Obviously, it would be a good idea if the government picked up a few of those who are still alive and were literally actually affected by the effects of the Europeans when we were fighting them, so that at least they see the difference.